Hi, boys and girls. For today's awesome Outrageous Art lesson, we're going to learn about something awesome called Zentangles. And we're also going to learn about masks and meditation. So how do these all fit together? Well, a Zentangle is an abstract drawing created by using repetitive patterns. It's usually structured inside of a certain shape or a drawing. So it's a two-dimensional drawing, usually just black and white. So the elements of art that we're focusing on are lines, shapes, and we're focusing on the principles of art of pattern and repetition. Zentangles are also considered a type of doodle. They're made from repeating patterns, and it can be very fun and relaxing, just like meditating. Anyone can create Zentangle patterns. They always start with lines and are usually done in black and white. People all around the world create Zentangle patterns. They also, all around the world, create another type of art called masks. So today, your Zentangle can be drawn inside of a mask, or you can just pick a simple shape. Now, in art, there are two main kinds of shapes that we use. Geometric shapes that you study in math, like triangles, squares, stars, hearts, and freeform shapes that come from nature, or organic shapes, like leaf shapes, wind shapes, or paint splatter shapes. So first you're going to start with a shape, and you are going to start with a white piece of paper and pencil. If you chose to do a Zentangle mask, you can actually trace one of the mask molds that we have that are made out of plastic. If you just want to trace a shape like a circle, you can trace a CD or any other design you want to trace. Now once you draw, if you're doing the mask, once you draw some shapes inside the mask like the eyes and the nose and the mouth, then you can start adding more shapes and more patterns. Our goal is for you to have at least 5 different Zentangle patterns on your mask. So this is the part where you get to be creative, and you can use some of the Zentangle patterns to look at that we passed out, or you can make up your own using different shapes and patterns. You want to fill up all the space inside your shape or inside your mask, and all of the shapes. You can even do shapes around your mask. Once you finish drawing all of your patterns with pencil, then you can trace your designs with a black marker. It doesn't have to be a Sharpie, it can be a regular marker or a Sharpie. But you want to make sure you put your name and code on your mask design, and you want to make sure it's creative, neat, colorful, and complete. So have fun meditating, calmly thinking about what designs you want to do for your Zentangle, and then have fun and get creative. Here are some other examples of other Zentangles that have different shapes, even letters, and some parts look realistic, even though the overall drawing is supposed to be abstract.